Jess Jonathan saw that shot played against her a bit last night. And goes once again.
Yeah.
Nicely played by Beaumont. Treneman with 2 boundaries.
Yeah.
Nicely played. It's found the gap. It's racing nicely. In the air, just out of reach. Treneman with the pull shot on this occasion and finds the boundaries.
Catches.
In the air, up and over the top. Rachel
Yeah.
using the pace nicely. Just over. And that will also find the boundaries.
The 16th over. Catch it!
It's gone through curve very quickly.
Catch it!
It's found the middle of the bat, but has also found the field.
Going on.
Gives herself some room and well taken. But they're not.
Regional centres that take the best players within the country.
Oh, it's just spitting too hard, Mel. And
Erd on line, and that will be worked nicely to the final leg boundary. So she works it squarer on this occasion, but gets the same result. Injury. Straight away, an opportunity, it's taken. And another chance taken. And there she comes, down the wicket. Opportunity taken. That one's a bit flatter, faster. Has it gone all the way up and over the top? No, it hasn't. Hits that nicely. It sounded good. Has it got the legs? It doesn't, though. Over. Make that 3, because clean bowled. Has to go big. It sounded brilliant. One of the biggest hits of the day. Cummins tries to get another maximum. Underneath it is Shabnim Ismail.